Hey, how you doing? Nice of you to drop by. How you doing today? Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you and to me, of course. Happy Valentine's Day. Here's my candle. Let me light a candle, please. Let's light a candle. Get a little candle going here. And in with little sage. Beautiful day, I hope. I'm sure it is. Hopefully you got something for Valentine's Day. I did. You know, feels great. Yeah. Meditate. It smells so good. We bless these cards, don't we? We bless them together. Yes, we do. Now, before I was interrupted by the doorbell, take a divinely guided chance jumped out while I was flipping the deck, right? Shuffling the deck. All positive change and successful ventures involve a degree of risk, and you are ready to follow your divine guidance to new territories. As you leave behind that which is comfortable and familiar, but no longer appropriate for you, you make room for new and more meaningful opportunities. That touched me. Okay, first of all, I'm Shannon. This is my channel. I'm a Sagittarius, period. I do these cards because I love them. And I love what it says. And I love the fact that I'm a Sagittarius, you know. I am. I'm thinking that, you know, they said that new Zodiac sign was somehow number 13, which makes sense a little bit because I'm out of the box type of person. And the fact that some of the qualities that match it, now you know I gotta go research it. You know I gotta research everything. Oof, especially these dice, they just was calling me. But with this divinely guided chance, take a divinely guided chance. That's real powerful for me right now, you know, because right now is a good time to take a chance on everything, I feel like. Yeah, let's go. What would you need to give up in order to achieve your dream? What's your dream? What's your dream? It takes courage to go after your dreams, your hopes and dreams. It takes courage. It takes courage. Can you do it? This is not even one of my dreams. It was something I thought about, though. Something I wanted to find out about. I wanted to learn about. And then when I took the opportunity to learn it, I learned. It's so cool. It's so amazing. It's so awesome. The feeling, the different vibes, and real life, you feel different vibes from everybody. Everybody you come in contact with, you feel they vibe. You can feel them. You can feel that. That is if you open to that. If you're not open to it, you probably won't. But if you are, you know what? What are these two? Hierophant and the Five of Pentacles. Somebody out in the cold, and it's really like on the The Hierophant, 5. And 5 of Pentacles. That just kind of struck me real fast right there. What I want to see right here. Ooh, 5 Pentacles. Leaving somebody out in the cold. Okay, what's the bottom of the deck? Knight of Wands. Anyway, they was just sitting there. But anybody who know the 5 of Pentacles is leaving somebody out in the cold. Disaster. I just felt cold. That was crazy. Okay, what? Leaving somebody out in the cold. Somebody feeling left behind. Somebody following despite this storm. Because of their tradition. That's what I feel. Somebody following despite the storm. It don't matter. This person a storm. But despite the storm, the person behind them, which is wounded, is still following. And it's tradition. And the two of them together stand before somebody. Stand before somebody those that's like a parent. Yeah. It's like what they learned from a long time ago, or they parent. And both of them stand before, and they not leaving each other, no matter what. This Knight of Wands. That's what I would get out of that if I was reading them two right there. That's the energy I feel in this 5-5. Deep. I'm talking about deep right here because look at this 5. Ooh. We know 5, the number of new beginning. No, 5 is the number of creativity, recreation, entertainment, pleasure. But, and see, that's what I was doing, finding them numbers and angel numbers. 5 is positive change. Like I said, new beginnings. Ooh, and I seen the 555 right there. Ooh, I seen it. That was deep. Okay. Let me, and then the Knight of Wands saying, this Taurus, you know what's crazy? This Taurus. Pentacles is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Hierophant, Taurus. This Taurus is the Taurus. Strongly, deeply, 5 of Swords. That's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And I got the Knight of Wands right here. Yeah. It's a battle. Exactly. Page of Wands. Okay. He coming real hard now. It's all right. Don't worry about it. Like whatever he coming to tell you, he holding on to it tightly. He on his way. He coming. He moving. How you know? Because he at the bottom of the deck moving. He coming. Look at his outfit. And he's strapped up. Oh, that's cool. He's strapped up. He on his way. 12. I swear. Look at him. He on his way. This Hermit is him right here. He on. The energy I got is he on his way to your lonely ass. Your lonely ass. That's what I get. He on the way to that lonely ass. No, for real. He coming. That it would be the energy I had right now. And with this, oh my goodness. with this Five of Swords right here. I was getting that 555, 555, right here, 555, right? And then this Page of Wands came out. Now, again, this person is standing beside this person no matter what. I'm standing beside you. I got you. Even in the cold. It's cold. I got you. I got you. For real, for real. That's what I'm telling you. That's for real, for real. And the Five of Pentacles. And why do I always want to do it? Because I want to see. I got to see it with my own eyes. It's financial hardship and feeling isolated. Although it's traumatic, it's temporary. It's what it means, right? So it's a financial situation. But they like, I'm ratting no matter what, right? And with the Hierophant, it's more of a systematic way, a traditional way, a religious way. It's more of a what you used to, what you grew up learning, what was instilled in you, what you was taught back then, right? And it's the energy of them together is saying, no matter what, through this thick and thin, this desert storm they going through, they gonna stick together. Because it's traditional, right? And then with the Five of Swords here, it's saying that battle is deep. It's a deep battle, and they keep having a pointless victory because it's still a battle. It's still a fight, and the fight just don't ever end. Like they never find a solution to this fight, right? But then this person is over here thinking of somebody else, and this somebody else is a hermit. And what, yeah, and this Knight of Wands was at the bottom of the deck, and I said they was coming quick, right? And then when I took the Five of Swords, because the Five of Swords was sitting right there in front of me, okay, so 5, 5, 5. I'm saying it. I'm saying it. I'm saying it. I'm saying it, yeah. Yeah. And then the battle always a battle, but then they over here thinking of somebody else, right? And it's this hermit. Look how they facing each other. But look how they facing each other, but the hermit is looking down, not even paying attention. Not paying attention at all. I ain't talking about nothing. You ain't shining no light on nothing. But then he right here. Oh, 5, 5, 5, 5. Period. 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 It's a hard battle to overcome. And then the Knight of Cups. Oh, man. That means he coming. I said that with some blood though. All right. That was just a mini reading for this session. Now let's get on to shuffling the cards so I can get on to reading the cards, because you know that's the entertaining part. And I think with these rings on, it's pretty difficult. Kind of, sort of. Ooh, look at the Sun card and the Queen of Swords. Cutting off. All I feel is cut them off. Somebody got to get cut. That's all I feel like. Oh, I forgot about these two. These three. Look at them. Yep, just like that. All right. So what's the topic of today? Five of Swords. Ooh, it's always some strife going on, ain't it? I know. You can see it all over you. Everybody just ready to get some entertainment on with some strife. But it's the end to it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. No more fighting. That's the purpose. I sit and still, being quiet and chill and meditate. There you go. That's what seriously needed. Meditation. I promise you. After some meditation, you'll feel just fine. Self-indulgence. It's time to think of self. I know, that's why I'm right here, right now. I'm thinking of myself. I'm thinking of what will make me happy right now. Would it really make me happy to go outside and get a steak and some baked potatoes and go to a movie and frolic around? Actually, it sounds amazing, but here am I. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Ooh, the joyful. I know that the purpose of life is to be happy and live purposefully. So, is that what happiness is? Joy. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. The storyteller. I have the right to speak because I listen when others speak. Period. Well, I couldn't let you get close to me. It's okay. It's okay. I just felt some type of way. I don't know. Oh. You gotta raise your vibrations. That was a beautiful shuffle. Who we getting today? Which card, which deck we getting today? How about the one I'm holding right now? Look at how them cards do that. Isn't it special? Self-esteem. I process gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. Denial. I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. Pride. I love myself and I see myself in everyone. Period. I think I say that too much. Period. It's raining.